At Costanzo Lawyers, we are a family-run practice. We're helping more and more separating and divorcing couples than ever before. And unlike many big city law firms, we know you're not always thinking clearly, and we really care if you're suffering. Today, more than any time ever, we all know someone affected by a breakdown of a marriage or relationship. It can be devastating. Your life's been turned upside down. It's important to know your rights and entitlements. I'm here to give you practical solutions, to steer you out of the turmoil immediately. If you're going through a relationship breakdown, you need a lawyer who's sympathetic to your needs, but pragmatic and strategic about your particular situation. Only recently, we had a young mum with young kids offered a nominal property settlement, nothing for their future, because the husband owned the investment with his family. We argued the asset pool had to be revalued. We obtained a much more advantageous value and property settlement for her and the children to better reflect the true asset pool, her contribution, her needs, and it was fair and equitable. In another matter, we recently helped a man. He'd been in a bona fide long-term domestic relationship, but his partner owned the former matrimonial home. On the advice of her lawyers, he was offered a nominal settlement. It would have left him destitute, homeless, and on the street. After seeing us, he obtained an equitable settlement. He now has his own home, he travels around Australia and pursues his travel wish. The Family Law Act, which governs marriages, and the Relationships Act changed all of it to extend to de facto and same-sex relationships. It covers divorce, custody, access, maintenance, division of proprietary rights, and spousal support. It's complex. It's open to interpretation. You need to have a lawyer who's had more than 30 years plus experience in the field. The breakdown of a relationship can be traumatic, but tragically, domestic violence can be fatal. So it's important that you obtain our support, especially if in danger. We've got the experience to protect you legally if you're the victim of domestic violence, so please reach out. We at Costanzo Lawyers are a family. We're helping other families in the best and worst of times. If you need help, deal with me. Sadly, at bigger firms, you could be just a number or just a file. Look after yourself, know your rights, and please remember there's a legal family here waiting if you need help. At Costanzo Lawyers, we care because you care and we care about you.